Hey, welcome to Hog Studios. I'm here with Vince Giordano, our VP of Sales here at Hog. And Vince, what are we talking about today?
We're doing our winter check-in, James, and we're doing this for a couple of reasons. One, we want to make sure that our contractors understand that we are here for them. If you maybe didn't plan well at the end of last season and you need some equipment, we have lots of used equipment we'd like to make available to them. We'd also love to get something in our production pipeline for you, build it in time for you for the season.
But the other thing is, we also frequently have contractors call us looking to sell something.
Absolutely.
So we're happy to be that conduit and connect folks out there. Whatever your equipment needs are, make sure you give us a call.
For sure.
So Vince, we just finished the New Orleans show where we were able to demonstrate Thermo Hog. We had a Rumble Hog there, we had the Grinder Hog there, and we had a great show.
Absolutely. It was, to be able to show the way that this Thermo Hog melts material is really exciting.
We're actually moving away from trade shows and moving towards rodeos.
Well, you know why? We're moving from the tabletop to the blacktop. I mean,
that's right.
You need to be able to show people how equipment works, right?
Contractors, operators alike love to be out there on the street where the rubber meets the road, so to speak, and see these machines actually work.
For sure. When's our next rodeo?
Well, we're going to be in Amsterdam, April 21st through the 24th, and we're going to have Thermo Hog over there as well, doing the same melt test. We did melt test in New Orleans, Vince, and 6,000 pounds per hour per melter. One melter, 6,000 pounds per hour, and we demonstrated that 4 times over the course of 3 days.
Yeah, it was very, very impressive. Almost 500 people watched that.
So, but the other features of the Thermo Hog, we're melting with just 500 degrees, about 1/4 the temperature traditionally used, and we just feel like that's a much safer temperature to melt at. Radically reduced risk of fire. 1 burner instead of the traditional 5 or even 9 burners.
Right.
Our hog pumps, we've resolved the packing issues on our hog pumps, and these pumps are lasting. We have some pumps out there with over 18 million pounds through them. We have a lot of pumps on the street right now, and we can get some great references if you're looking to replace one of your pumps. But so many other things, the shortened wheelbase of the truck, the conveyor loading, and just trying to make the truck an overall safer. Hog speed controller, no mechanical modifications to the driveline, no hydrostatic driveline, just a lot of great features. But really too much to discuss right here and now.
Yeah.
What should folks do if they have, want more detailed information about the Thermo Hog or any of our hogs for that matter?
Every week we're going to do a webinar where we're talking about all of our product line. And if you want to know when the next Thermo Hog webinar is, you just type the word hog and text it to 67076. So hog 67076, and we'll send you the dates of our next webinar.
You'll get an auto response when you text the word hog to 67076, and you'll be instructed. And in fact, now we're going to do that with just hog. We're going to do that to Thermo, Grinder, Groover,
Hog
Rumble,
Tusk.
Hog Tusk. I hope some of you saw that Hog Tusk there at ATSA. We've combined grinding and water blasting into a single bar. Absolutely amazing. Some of the best technology I think we've ever come out with. We're in the process, in fact, of determining how this can be retrofit onto maybe a hog that you own. So, other things coming down the pipeline. We're now building and selling the Hornsby gun. We're supporting that line of guns now, and we are pleased to be working with Nigel Hornsby on that effort. But listen, time is short here. One last thing. Our operators, I want to just thank our customers and operators in over 56 countries around the world. But these operators that make these hogs snort every single day. In fact, just last week, Sergio Hernandez from Action Safety, Greg Hypus, nominated him, and we honored Sergio just last week, and we'd like to honor a hog operator in your company. Would you submit, where should folks submit if they want to nominate somebody for an outstanding hog operator, what should they do, Vince?
They just email marketing@thehog.com. And if we recognize your operator, they're going to win $250 worth of hog gear, and we're going to make a great video honoring them and your company.
Yeah. And Graham's been busy putting together this wonderful catalog of our hog gear, and you can get online and select what gear, what gear they want.
Absolutely.
And listen, we hope to see you at a trade show or a webinar soon. And God bless y'all out there, and hunker down, stay warm for the winter. We're not having that problem down here.
Not at all.
And we hope to see you somewhere soon.